Hello and Namaskar, little learners. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and well. Welcome to your grammar classes, and this is Dishita ma'am. Today we are going to have lot of fun. Yes, today we are going to have fun as we are going to play a quiz game. And along with that, we are going to do this question number 5 of page number 73. And we are going to do mind mapping. All your favorite things today we are going to do. So, are you all ready? Let's get going. So, let's start with question number 5 of page number 73. Write about any 4 things that you do daily. Write about 4 things that you do daily. For the example, they had given us, I brush my teeth every morning. हमें क्या करना है? 4 things के बारे में लिखना है जो हम डेली करते हो. So, they had given us the example that I brush my teeth regularly. Or I brush my teeth every morning. So let's write the second one. I take a bath every morning. I take a bath every morning. Let us write the second one. I iron my uniform every morning. I iron, I-R-O-N, iron, M-Y, my, uniform, U-N-I, uni, F-O-R-M, form, every morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, every morning. I iron my uniform every morning. Then come to the next one. I polish my shoes every day. I polish, P-O-L-I-S-H, polish my shoes every day. Done, dear kids? Come to the last one. I take the school bus every day. I take the school bus every day. E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day. So how many points we have written? 4 points. What are they? I take a bath every morning. Come on, repeat it with me. I take a bath every morning. I iron my uniform every morning. I polish my shoes every day. I take the school bus every day. Now, ask your family members about a few things they do daily and write them down. I had written it with my own experience. What you have to do is, if you want to write this by yourself, you can write it down. Alright? If you want to change these points according to your family members, things that they do regularly, you can change it. Alright? So let's read this one. My father goes to office every day. Yes, my father goes to office every day. They had given us the example. Then I had written, my mother cooks dinner for us every day. My mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, cooks dinner for us every day. E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day, every day. Come to the second one. My brother goes for his piano class every evening. My brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother, G-O-E-S, goes for his piano, P-I-A-N-O, piano class every evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Then come to the next one. My grandfather goes to the park every morning. My grandfather, G-R-A-N-D, grand, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, grandfather, goes to the park every morning. Come to the next one. My grandmother watches television every day. My grandmother watches TV every day. M-Y, my, G-R-A-N-D, grand, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother, watches TV every day. Let's read it one more time. I take a bath every morning. I iron my uniform every morning. I polish my shoes every day. I take the school bus every day. Then my mother cooks dinner for us every day. My brother goes for his piano classes every evening. My grandfather goes to the park every morning. My grandmother watches TV every day. Dear kids, all these sentences are in simple present tense. Why? As it shows regular facts or the habits. So, all these are in simple present tense. What is the definition of simple present tense, dear kids? Simple present tense tells us about everyday actions or habits. Simple present tense tells us about everyday actions or habits. So all the sentences are in simple present tense. Now take out your notebook and let's start mind mapping. Everyone, taken out your notebook. Let's start with the chapter heading. Please give the heading chapter number 18, simple present tense. S-I-M-P-L-E, simple. P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present. And then tense, simple present tense. Then let's start writing the definition or the meaning. That is, the simple present tense is used to describe habits, H-A-B-I-T-S, habits, unchanging situations, general truth, and fixed agreements. The simple present tense is used to describe D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E, describe habits, unchanging, unchanging, unchanging situations, situations, situations. Then general, general truths, truths, truths. And fixed agreements, fixed arrangements, arrangements, arrangements. Now you have to draw something like this. First, make a broad arrow and write it down. Forms, Forms, forms. Then make a sign of plus. Plus here means positive sentences. For positive sentences, we will write subject plus verb, s or es plus object. हमने रीड किया था ना, बिल्कुल वैसे ही. Subject plus verb plus ses with verb plus object. Then minus here means negative sentences. With negative sentences, we will write subject plus don't, doesn't plus verb base form plus object. Subject plus don't, does not, do not or doesn't, don't, doesn't, doesn't plus verb का base form plus object. For interrogative sentences, we will write do, does plus subject plus verb plus object. Here also the sentence would be in base form. Which form? Base form. It means the verb would be in the original form. The verb would be in the original form. Alright. It's root form. Verb किस में होगा? इन दोनों में root form में. और इसमें क्या होगा? वर्ब में s या es लगेगा. Alright. Now come to the examples. Examples are, you have to draw like this. Examples are, for positive sentence, the example is I run fast. And in negative, the example is I don't run fast. I do not run fast, or we will say I don't run fast. Then for interrogative, question mark stands for interrogative. So we will add a question mark at the end and we will write do I run fast? Question mark. What we will say? Do I run fast? Question mark. This is how we had completed our mind mapping. Let's have a review one more time. The simple present tense is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. Forms, 3 forms: positive, negative, interrogative. Positive, subject plus verb, ses plus object. Negative, subject plus don't, doesn't plus base form of the verb plus object. Interrogative: do, does plus subject plus original form of the verb plus object. And the examples are: I run fast for positive. I don't run fast for negative. Do I run fast? Question mark for interrogative. Are you all ready for the quiz game? Our next step is present simple quiz. So if you all are ready, so let's start. The first question is like this. But before we start, let me tell you the rules. The rules is like this. I'll give you 3 to 4 seconds to give the answer. And then I'll disclose the answer. So let's start, and I'll repeat the question twice. Alright, so let's start. My brother dash his favorite television program every evening. My brother dash his favorite television program every evening. What will come? Watches, watch or watching? Come on, give me the answer. What will come? Watches, watch or watching? And the answer is watches. Very good. The answer is watches. Then come to the second one. I dash in a small apartment near the college. I dash in a small apartment near the college. Living, lives और live. I के साथ कौन सा रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब आएगा? लिविंग, lives या live? Yes, come on, tell me. Your time is running. And the answer is live. L-I-V-E, live. I live in a small apartment near the college. Then come to the next one. She dashed 3 languages: English, French and Spanish. She dashed 3 languages: English, French and Spanish. And the answer is option A, speak, or option B, speaking. Option C, speaks. With singular, what do we write? With singular, what do we write? Which form of the verb? Speaks. Very good. We write S with S or ES with the root form of the verb. So here we had completed our 3 questions. The first was, my brother watches his favorite television program every evening. Then, I live in a small apartment near the college. And then, she speaks 3 languages: English, French and Spanish. Let's move forward for another questions. Be ready. Let's proceed to the next question. My friend has a sister, but he does not dash a brother. What will be the answer? Has, have or had. Your time starts now. My friend has a sister, but he doesn't dash a brother. But he doesn't dash a brother. What will come? Yes, have. My friend has a sister, but he doesn't have a brother. Now come to the next one. Fifth one. Dash your father a teacher or a policeman? Is, does, or are? And the answer is is. Is your father a teacher or a policeman? Now let's see the next one. My wife and I are from Canada. Dash you are from? Dash you from? What will be the answer? The options are where are, where, or where do. My wife and I are from Canada. Dash you from? Question mark. Where are you from? Or where you from? Or where do you from? And the answer would be where are you from? So this is how we had completed the second level of quiz. My friend has a sister, but he does not have a brother. Is your father a teacher or a policeman? My wife and I are from Canada. Where are you from? Now let's move forward and see question number 7, 8 and 9. Question number 7 is, my sister's name dash Susan. She's a doctor. My sister's name dash Susan. She's a doctor. What will be the answer? The answer is. Is. My sister name is Susan. She's a doctor. Now come to 8th question. I live in Rio de Janeiro. Where dash live? I live in Rio de Janeiro. Where dash live? Where do you live? I live in Rio de Janeiro. Where do you live? Now let's see the next one. I dash a very busy person. In fact, I have lots of free time. I dash a very busy person. In fact, I have lot of free time. The options are I do not, I not, I am not. Dear kids, you need not have to write this question. It's a simple quiz game. You only have to concentrate here and give me the answers. You need not have to write this in your notebook. आपको ये कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखना है, ना ही अपनी नोटबुक में. आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है और गेम को एंजॉय करना है. I dash a very busy person. In fact, I have lots of free time. The answer is I am not. I am not a busy person. In fact, I have a lot of free time. Now, let's move further. We dash swim, jog and play sports to stay strong. We dash swim, jog and play sports to stay strong and healthy. The options are like to, likes. What will be the answer? We like to or we likes. What will be the answer? We like to. We like to swim, jog and play sports to stay strong and healthy. We like to swim, jog and play sports to stay strong and healthy. Now let's move forward and see the next one. I usually dash very early in the morning. I usually dash very early in the morning. Get up, gets up or am getting up. I usually dash very early in the morning. I get up. Very good. I get up early. I get up very early in the mornings. Come to the 12th question. My classmate dash in class right now. She is in the library. The options are not, isn't, doesn't. My classmate not, my classmate isn't or my classmate doesn't. Dash in the class right now. She is in the library. What will be the answer? Come on, guess, dear children. Yes, the answer would be my classmate isn't. My classmate isn't in the class right now. She is in the library. Now let's come to the last round of the game. I work 12 hours a day, but I dash my job. I work 12 hours a day, but I dash my job. Come on, what will be the answer? A, love, B, loves or C, loving. I work 12 hours a day, but I dash my job. I love my job, I loves my job or I loving my job. What will be the answer? With I, what we will write? Love. Very good. We will write love. I love my job. Now let's see the next one. My friends dash busy because they are on holiday. My friends dash busy because they are on holiday. The options are is not, does not, aren't. Isn't, doesn't, aren't. Sorry, isn't, don't, aren't. My friends dash busy because they are on holiday. Come on, time is running up. Give the answer quickly. My friends isn't, don't, or aren't. What will be the answer? My friends dash busy because they are on holiday. And the answer is my friends aren't busy. My friends aren't busy because they are on holiday. My friends aren't busy because they are on holiday. Now come to the last one. Dash do you usually go on holiday? I usually go to Greece. And the options for A1 are what, where, or who. This is the last one. Come on, try it up. Where? Yes, the answer is where. Very good. Where do you go on holiday? I usually go to Greece. Where do you go on holiday? I usually go to Greece. So I hope that you all enjoyed today's session, today's game, then mind mapping, and you all understood the chapter number 18, Simple Present Tense. See you all tomorrow with a new chapter, new topic. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you and namaskar.